I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper for Monday, July 26th. We are right at this upper trend line at the SPY on this daily chart. Yeah, the big question, are we going to turn parabolic and just bust a move? Or are we going to retrace back down to the bottom of this channel, which is what we've been doing? So we're going to be bullish above 439.75 today and bear below 437.50 for a retracement trade. We do have a lot of dark pool levels below us, right? So this 435.58 is the first guy to watch if we retrace, and that's why that was my target. They like to play print pong. So we'll see. Yeah, let's be prepared for both. Let's go to the Russell. Totally different story on the Russell. Oh yeah, we've been in a downward bearish trend, making lower lows, lower highs, but we are also right at the top of this trend line though. Yeah, look at that. We're hitting our head right here. Bullish above 221.25, bear below 217.50, right, for a move down to hit. I want to say this 200 would be the next big moving average target, or are we gonna come up to these guys? So watching for those. Let's go to the QQQs. Lots of earnings this week on the NASDAQ stocks that will affect the SPY and the NASDAQ. So huge. We are also at the upper trend line on the QQQs, very similar to the SPY. Bullish above 368 today, bear below 366.50. Let's head on over to the futures, and we'll just start with the E-minis. Bullish above 43.96 where they're right now, and bear below 43.85 for the E-minis. Let's head on over to the NASDAQ futures. Bullish above 15.125. We are below that. And bear below 15.40. We have not gone there, so we're kind of in between those levels. Let's head on over to the oil futures. Yeah, oil has been like all over the place this morning. Let's just go out a little bit so you can see, right? You can see we went at 4 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, they took it down. Look at that volume spike. Somebody was buying big time down there. And now we've just gone above person's pivots. Yeah, wow, oil all over. All right, bullish above 71.75. We've already gone up and hit our first target. Actually, a couple targets. Yeah, 2 targets so far. All right, so I would watch this Camarilla right here, 72.09, for another entry just above 72.12. So 72.13 would be your next entry if you're not in this yet. Bear below 71. Let's head on over to gold futures. All right, let me just play around. Okay, here we go. Gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 18.15. There's a nice open gap here, and bear below 18.04. We just came down to that Camarilla. Yeah, for the first trade is down to person's pivots. And now let's head to Bitcoin futures. Somebody woke up Bitcoin today. And it is, look at that. Yeah, look at that. Flying high. It is up 19%. I dipped a couple toes in a couple weeks ago, as I posted on Twitter, around that 33,000 mark. Spotted some buying down there, and holy cow. You know what? Let me just show you this chart. Look at this chart here. BTC. Yeah, so we were consolidating sideways. We were talking about this VWAP, right, on these futures, and we held. We actually have a Morningstar pattern here. The 4 crossed over the 8 EMA on the daily chart, which is a bullish trend change, and we kind of got stuck right here, you guys. Let me show you this. Oops, sorry. Try to zoom in there. This gray moving average is the 161 EMA. Go ahead and put that on your daily chart if you don't have it. The day chart, 161 exponential. It's for commodities. I mean, that's originally why I put it on my chart. It was amazing for gold and silver and oil. And of course, you know, Bitcoin, it's really good for everything, but especially commodities. So really key. I'm watching to see if we can close above that. If we can, we'll most likely move up to the 200 simple moving average right here. But today, bullish above 39,000 and bear below 37,500 for a retracement trade back down to the 4 EMA. Let's go to Mara. Mara, bullish above 29.50. Yeah, what an explosion on this. We had a rare pattern that we were talking about in the Java pit. Remember this? The bullish reversal island gap. Yeah, it's a really cool pattern, and we watched it work this time. Bullish above 29.50 today and bear below 27.50 for Mara. Let's move on over to Tesla, which has earnings after the close. Thank you, Pinky, for that reminder. Which this could have a nice pre-earnings momentum move. I would not hold this into earnings unless you're doing a specific earnings options trade, which Andrew will be walking us through this week. I'm so excited for Options Bootcamp. But great day trade today, okay? Bullish above 657.50, bear below 640. Let's head on over to TLT. Big prints have been coming in on TLT lately. We might test that upper print there, 150.81. We'll see. That's why that was my target right here. When I put DP, that's dark pool, and then I show you the dark pool prints right here. So bullish above 150.20 and bear below 148 for a move down. Let's go to NVIDIA, which had quite a few dark pool prints as well. We're going to be bullish above 198.25, bear below 193 for NVIDIA. Let's go to Riot, another crypto stock. Could have really good movement today, gap and go higher or pop and drop. So bullish above 34, nice movement up to this 150 simple moving average caught my attention. That's the next big moving average. And bear below 32. If it goes below the 20 simple moving average, then we'll probably fill in that gap. So really great trade setups on those guys. Let's go to Apple, which had massive prints on Friday. Yeah, 8 million at 147.50. So we're going to be bullish above 149.21 and bear below 147.25. Earnings are coming out this week. So this is just a day trade. Let's move on over to silver, SLV. Yep, SLV, I'm really looking at this trade right here, this pocket. Yep, bullish above 23.60 and bear below 23.20 for the move down here. In between is a no trade zone. I put swing, and every time I put swing, it usually moves during the day, but it could be a great swing setup if it closes strong above this 8 exponential moving average. All right, let's go to GLD. And I say if, by the way, because a lot of times these things start out strong, and by the end of the day, they're very weak. So we wait until the end of the day to swing them, but it could be a good day trade if it does start to move. So GLD, bullish above 169.51 and bear below 168. And Bank of America. Yeah, bear below 37.25 and bullish above 38.55. We had a very large dark pool print recently at 38.36, so using that as a key level for the bull above. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Monday, July 26th. Until next time, happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gotta keep it my secret. My secret.